Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord mobile can't hear stream sound. Alright, so let's begin. If your friend's stream is playing without audio, adjusting the stream and voice settings often fixes the issue quickly. Start by tapping on the live stream itself to bring up the on-screen controls. Once the controls appear, open the voice settings section, which is usually represented by a gear or audio icon. Inside this menu, look for the app volume controls and increase the volume slider to the maximum level to make sure the main audio output is active. After adjusting that setting, return to the main chat or stream screen. Next, tap on the profile or username of the person who is currently streaming. This opens user-specific settings related to their voice and stream feed. Inside their options, open voice settings and check the individual volume controls. Make sure their voice volume is turned up properly. Also look for a separate stream volume slider if available and raise it to the maximum level as well. Discord sometimes uses separate controls for voice chat and stream audio, so one can be muted while the other remains active. After adjusting these settings, return to the stream and test the audio again. In many cases, increasing both the general voice settings and the individual stream volume settings resolves the issue and restores stream sound properly, and that's it. This is how you can fix Discord mobile can't hear stream sound. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.